Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin niyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. Okay, so we have here the Five of Swords and the Six of Cups. The Emperor, Justice, Nine of Swords, the Five of Pentacles, the Hanged, Four of Swords, and Ten of Swords bottom card. Okay, so may energy tayo dito ng Aries and Libra, divine counterpart energy. And maarang itong taong to, nawala na lang siya parang bula noon, hindi na nagpaalam, parang end conversation, nagpaalam lang, for example, nakakain lang and then di na nag-reply, ganyan, ang ghost. Pero ngayon itong taong ito kasi may third person third party involved or nakahanap tong taon to ng iba, other option na in-explore and then para naging sila or so pinagtaksilan ka nitong taong ito, betrayal or may piniling iba. So tingnan natin. Pero ngayon parang kinakain siya ng konsensya niya. Kinakain ng konsensya dahil sa ginawa niya sa'yo. So we have here teddy bear, coffee, light bulb, coffin, newspaper, lock, and sweet bottom card. So ngayon parang nagugulat ka, parang biglang nag-iba ihip ng hangin dito, nagiging sweet ulit siya sa'yo. Nagpaparamdam, parang gusto ulit makipagkita, makipag-date, maring childhood sweethearts na rin kayo nitong taong to. And pinilit mo nang ilibing to sa limot, ayan o, with the coffin, light bulb, pero itong taong to may mga, plano, to win you back. Ayan, so tingnan natin, mga messages natin dito. Mari kasing hindi sila nag-work out nung taong pinili niya, yung naging dahilan ng separation nyo, hindi sila nag-work out nun. Kaya ngayon nagigilty siya. Hindi niya alam kung papaano aayusin or kung papaano kanya susuyuin ulit. The struggle is real. I want to surprise you. So, may mga pa-surprise. Baga pambawi, gustong bumawi. Ganyan. Money is important. You're my happy pill. I have fear and anxiety. I want solid foundations. Moving forward, please accept my cup of love. And sorry, I'm wasted. So, maaaring magkaroon ng drunk call, drunk message, itong taong to sa inyo. Out of the blue, bigla na lang mag-message or tatawag ng nakainom. Ayan. So, tingnan natin ano message ng Archangels. So, we have here leadership by Archangel Gabriel. It's time for you to assume your leadership power and position and lovingly guide others. So, nung dati, parang siya ang siya yung ahead sa'yo, siya yung nasa mataas or team leader, siya yung leader mo or mataas ang position sa'yo dati sa work. Pero ngayon parang nagkabaliktad kayo ng taong ito and siya naman yung under mo, ganun. Kaya parang mas nahihiya siya sa'yo, nanliliit. Ayan, nanliliit siya. Kuha tayo ng mga messages natin. More messages. We have here, I remember every detail of that day. I couldn't let you get close to me. I'm grateful for the spiritual lesson. I can't stop thinking about you. I hide behind material things. The timing just wasn't right for us. I love you unconditionally and you don't know how hard it was to let you go. Just being near you is intoxicating. Bottom card. And then, kuha tayo ng initials natin. XM, F, para may Christmas, letter LT, pwedeng true love, true love, letter A, E, it, letter B at lumipad na siya dyan sa tabi, and W. So, yung bottom card, letter D. So, kuha tayo ng blue card natin. So, we have here mirroring, engagement, and all strings attached. So, for some of you, parang may muntikan ng ikasal sa isang partner na hindi nag-work out, ganyan. Or kayo, pwedeng kayo pala yun. Muntikan na kayong ikasal, tapos nagkaroon pa ng betrayal. And let's see, sa general signs and messages, high expectation, present lover, number 10 has a dirty sense of humor, travel, earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, chaser, future lover, number 8, selfie-holic, attractive, sexy body, another Aries, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, beach, and summer. Uy, may mga hahabol pa sa beach. June, athletic, number 1, flower, peace offering yan. Ayan, magbibigay ng peace offering. Amazing, soulmate, confusing, cute and chubby, patience please, funny, December, maring December 6, 2, 26 or 2, yan. Cancer sign, number 4, and responsible. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.